Alright boys, what is up? We're going to be doing a video today on the GLI, but I'm going to be testing out specifically the new microphones on the 16 models. I got a 16 Pro, so it has 4 mics instead of 2. So I'm going to see how good we can pick up the exhaust on this phone. And that's just going to be the video for today, but I'm going to drive around and try to get clips for you guys on my way up to mowing and then back. So stay tuned and hopefully you guys enjoy. All right guys, apparently the ultra wide is supposed to be like a lot better quality too. So we're gonna test that out. Supposed to be different modes you can do, so I can actually like choose after I record the video if I want like studio quality microphones to pick up what's in the frame, the background, both. Cool thing, so I just wanted to test it out on the new Pros. I figured what would be better than to test it out on this. I specifically got the Pro actually to test this. A dump would definitely test the quality. And then the hood exit will definitely test it too, because hood exit is almost as loud, but it's outside of the car, so it doesn't pick up as loud. Hi, Coop. Be nice to my dog. This dog is a monster. Dog is a monster. right, guys, so what do you think sounds the best out of all those audio options? You'll have to let me know in the comments down below. Also, let me know what you guys want to see next. I am totally down to do whatever. I'm trying to keep up with this content and stuff, and I think the iPhone 16 Pro will definitely make some good content. It sounds like the microphones, regardless of the mode, are picking up a lot better audio of my car and more true to life, so that's an awesome thing. I love you guys. Make sure to be happy, stress less. I'll see you guys in the next one. As always, God bless you.